What's up, YouTube? Dirty Diesel here. Just got these in the mail. They are window louvers or rain guards for my 99 Superduty. I guess it's a super cab. It's not the 4-door. Super crew, I guess. I think that's right. So the back ones are a little deeper because that back window opens up. So that means that it would hit this if it was as shallow as these front ones. I got these on eBay for $30. They shipped from Texas. Sure, they're made in China. I don't think there's anything plastic made in America anymore. They come with the strips on them already. That's good news that it has 3M on them, actually, because 3M is the best adhesive company. I would do a video right now, but it looks like that in Colorado, which I'm pretty happy about. So, got the fireplace going. We'll look into the fireplace, just for fun. Oh yeah, I wish I had this is a rental. My last house had one with a glass front on it, but I had to sell my house. So, due to divorce, but back to what's going on. These are real good if you're a smoker. They're also really good if you just like a little bit of fresh air while it's raining. Newer vehicles, if you turn on your windshield wipers, it kind of goes up the back of the, like basically they have a rain guard already on them, so you don't really need these, but you still can have your windows down 2 inches or so, maybe 3 inches, and not get any rain or snow in. So I highly recommend them. 30 bucks on eBay. They're great. I'll do another video when I install them. Let's see if these, yeah, 3M on those too. Cool. Alright guys, Dirty Diesel out.